Hi friends, I am Shashikant Manikri. My channel name is Civil Engineering Marvels. In this video, we can discuss civil engineering and its sub branches. Uh, if you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you get all latest videos related to civil engineering. If you have any query or questions, you can uh, write in the comment section. Let us start our video. All of you know civil engineering is the wide branch. Okay, various infrastructures part will become in the civil engineering. Okay, civil engineering is the basically have 5 stages. First is the analysis, second is the planning stage, third is the designing stage, fourth is the construction stage, and fifth is the maintenance stage. Let us consider one example related to 5 stages in the civil engineering. Now you can take one example of small bungalow. Okay, for that, first part is the analysis part. What is the cost of land? What is the cost of construction? Okay, second part is the planning part. In the planning part, you have to exactly go for planning of that particular house. Planning means what are the how many rooms you want to construct according to the local authorities, you called as a bylaws. How many margins you have to consider: front margin, rear margin, side margins, and whatever remaining area is there, you have to construct the building in the plot. Again, next stage is after planning, that is the uh, designing part. Architect or structural engineer, they will go for architectural designing of the building, and structural engineer is study how much load will be coming on the structure, and according to you can go for designing the slab, beams, columns, and foundations of the building. And simultaneously at the site, civil engineer will execution stage is there. He will execute according to the architectural as well as structural engineering drawing. And fourth stage is construction stage. According to the architect as well as structural drawing, civil engineer will be execute at the site and construction activities will be starts. And after construction of the building, after 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, you can consider maintenance of the buildings. Civil engineers are backbone of the nation. Again, civil engineering is the very old branch. Okay, that is you called as a core branch. Okay, basically civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering, these are core branches of engineering. And civil engineering is the oldest branch, you called as a father of all branches. All of you know man's basic 3 needs. First need is food, clothes, and shelter. These are 3 basic needs of the man. This shelter part is complete by civil engineers. That's why civil engineering is very important field, or you call it as a sector of engineering. Lot of construction activities you have to make in the civil engineering part. You can take example of construction of house or building, construction of infrastructure like roads of national importance like national highways, expressways, again power generation plants, again public buildings, bank buildings, hospital buildings, etc. For construction of railway tracks, civil engineer work as a key in between that. Again construction of airports, again construction of docks and harbors for loading and unloading of the uh, goods for import and export purposes from one country to other country. Again tunneling work is there. Lots of wide field is there, you called as a civil engineering, and its branches, sub branches. First is civil engineering sub branches. First is the surveying, second one is the fluid mechanics, third is the structural engineering, fourth is the water resources engineering, fifth is the geotechnical engineering, sixth infrastructural engineering, construction management, town planning, earthquake engineering, construction engineering, and last one is the environmental engineering. In the next video we will discuss in detail about civil engineering sub branches. If you like channel, you can share and subscribe. Thank you.